on a space holiday, on a Martian colony. Space start astronomy, blasting supersonically. Welcome back to Space Start Astronomy, the YouTube channel that accelerates toward warp speed in search of space knowledge. Today we're going to take a quick look at moon craters to kick things off. Here's the first crater. As you can see, it has a ridge and a dip in the middle. Likely a remnant of an ancient asteroid impact. It never changes as there is no weather on the moon due to its lack of an atmosphere. Now here's another crater. Interestingly, it's the same as the last one, only bigger. Most moon craters are just bigger or smaller versions of the same thing. I thought I might map out the moon with my telescope, get to know the different craters and draw a detailed blueprint of the satellite, but I don't want to lose the will to live. An interesting side note, many scientists theorize that there is an underground layer of water on the moon. Water seems to be abundant in our solar system, with water ice on Mars' poles and underground oceans on Europa and Enceladus. Here we can see an astronaut on a moonwalk. The best method of travel on the moon is the bunny hop. Officially known as the kangaroo jump by NASA employees, astronauts go through a grueling 10 weeks of training to learn how to pull off the sophisticated maneuver. Note how he travels a great distance in a short amount of time. Here we can see an astronaut on the moon driving what can only be described as a bitchin' ride. Badass. What would have been a supercomputer in 1970 now fits in the palm of our hand. We have the technology to return to the moon. We could have bases up there and everything. So why haven't we returned? Well, conspiracy theorists claim that astronauts would get fried by the radiation in the Van Allen belts, which surround the Earth if they ever tried to leave the planet, and that the moon landings never happened. So let's juice up this spacecraft with this plutonium I've bought on the dark web and blast past the moon as we travel to our neighboring planet Mars. And what do you know? More craters here too. There's not much happening here. The odd planet-wide dust storm, water in the ice caps. Astronomers in the past thought there was water in canals they observed here. And even in this century, images of a bunch of pyramid remains and an alien-looking face freaked everyone out. A later orbiter flyby of the site revealed the face to be an unfortunate trick of the light. Some still believe it was an artifact of an ancient Martian civilization though. Oh no, this plutonium I bought is dodgy. I don't even think it's plutonium at all. I actually think it's uranium. Oh no, the engine's on fire. No. Shit. Help! Help! I think I'm gonna crash into planet Earth. No! I've managed to ascend into the afterlife. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more planet hopping adventures.